And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this easy ascending logo design effect in Adobe Illustrator. All that we need: on the view, Smart Guides instant point activated, activate the type tool, and type in the name of your company. Font doesn't matter, I use Acronym Variable Concept. You can set the size over here, then right click, create outlines, go to object, make sure it's ungrouped. When it's ungrouped, you can't ungroup it further under object. Now select the 3 remaining letters, open the properties menu, make sure it is linked, so this link sign needs to be activated, and then type in +5 pixels. And select the next two, once again, +5. Select the last one, once again, under width, +5. The height will be adjusted automatically as we have activated the link. Now we need to reposition it, and the Smart Guides to help us with that. Let me put these letters down here and you can see what happens. So the Smart Guides, they give us the center position, but they also give us the baseline at the bottom of the L. And that is what we want to have. Now I drag the G upwards, and at the right position, the Smart Guides also indicate our horizontal level so that the distance between the letters LO and OG are the same. Let me select the last one again, and I'll show you that once more. You can see it's the same distance. If you now want to group it, you can't do so with the right click, just go to Object and group it. And if you now resize it, just hold Shift and Alt at the same time. And this is how you can create this easy ascending wordmark logo design effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.